Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Join us today as we show you an easy way to make a sensory board using recycled items from the comfort of your home. This is a great way to keep your baby or toddler busy for a little while. The materials you will need are hot glue gun, cardboards. The one we use today are recycled cardboard boxes, and a variety of arts and craft materials. However, please do use materials or objects that are not too small and at a decent size to avoid any choking hazard. We are using a cardboard box as we do not intend to use heavy objects on our sensory board today. To start making your sensory board, get your cardboard, as this will serve as your base for your sensory board. Mark the area in which you'll glue the materials. If you have a specific design on how and where you would like to place each individual items. Using hot glue gun, glue the materials you prepared in your cardboard. For this part, make sure adult supervision is present while using the hot glue gun, as this can be a burning hazard. Sensory board are a fun way to introduce variety of textures and objects to your baby or toddlers, as it is all in one place. You can also include household objects such as sponge or even toys like dolls for them to touch and feel. And there you have it, your very own sensory board. Decorate it as you please. Unleash your little explorers and take a well-deserved break. Please be aware to maintain a close supervision to your baby or toddler, as there are objects that could be a choking hazard. Enjoy!